Morning all. Well, not too sure how much recording we'll be doing today. It's just started to rain. Not too sure whether it's meant to be on all day. Well, it is. I looked and it said quite a high percentage chance all day. So yeah. At least we managed to pack up okay in the dry. So that's one consolation. I think I might have said last night, I think we're going to start off heading back down that canal, and then actually I might make a note before we set off of where we need to aim for, because if it's going to rain it's going to be a pain with the old phone again, so I might look, have to just check on that before we go. Right, let me do that, and well, hopefully I shall speak to you all later. Well, I think that the wind is slightly against us, so that could be quite good, because then in theory we won't be cycling with the rain, but of course it could be blowing in a lot more. It looks rather grey up ahead. Last night on the car, I don't know what's the matter with these people. A couple, well, it was a couple, and I think their children with a baby turned up or on the pitch next to them. Well, they were talking to God knows what time, I don't know, 1, 2 maybe. They eventually shut up and the baby started crying. They quietened that down, and then it started to spit with rain, so I had to quickly jump up because I left my towel out overnight, which I don't normally do, and I suppose it was sod's law that it would rain the one night that I do. So yeah, not a huge amount of sleep. In fact, we've not had a huge amount of sleep in the whole time we've been here. Hopefully tonight's campsite will be a lot quieter. Whether we will, I think I might have said I might get to Luxembourg today. I don't think I will, to be honest. It's, what was it? I think it's over 80 miles away, and well, going on the performances so far, there's no chance. It'll take 2 days at least. Right, let's just turn you around. Ooh. See, this nice cycle path still extends on. Right, it's no good. Blimey. Oh, I'm too hot with this waterproof on. It does sort of seem to have stopped anyway, so I think we're gonna stop and take it off. Well, there you go, sod's law. It started to bloody rain again. Oh, God, see, it's going to be one of those days. But who cares? This day 5 years ago was when I got taken into hospital, which they later discovered was sepsis. So, to be honest, it can do what it bloody wants today. I'm just glad to be here. Oh, yeah. It's all very pretty. Shame about the blooming rain. Right, well that's the end of the canal. Onto the road now. Of course we didn't really have to go along the canal today. It was a little bit further to get here than going by road, but hey ho, I thought we'd give it a try. Very pleasant along there. Saw some kingfishers, one beaver, loads of bees, heron, and a little puddy cat hiding in the grass. Ah, Luxembourg this way. Luxembourg, 135 kilometres. Well, I don't think we will be getting there today somehow. Maybe we'll get to that Arlon, wherever that is. Looks like on the left there's a war cemetery again. Maybe, in fact, I'm going to venture over there and have a little look. We did. Okay. You probably can't see. Oh, all those. Yeah, 1940. Oh, 1914. Oh. Well, it's First and Second World War then. I'm not liking these cars coming towards me with their lights on. That's never a good sign. Oh. Bloody sad sight. Bloody machines instead of a boulangerie. I've noticed there's quite a few boulangeries that have closed as I've gone through different towns and villages. I mean, there was a time when, well, every town or village had its own boulangerie. Hopefully they're not, bonjour, they're not dying out. That would be a shame. Well, I definitely won't be using one of those machines out of principle. How green it all is now. We've gone from wheat fields to, well, greenery. Got bracken growing up everywhere. On the map it looks a lot greener as well. Rain I can feel again. Ooh. Stay dry, stay dry. What was I saying about the wheat fields going? They're back. And yeah, maybe not as much as they have been in the last couple of days, but yeah, definitely still around here a bit, although it is definitely more greener. I mean, there's more like forest clumps of trees around, and even green fields with either maize or corn. I'm not liking the look of that hill. We're nearly at the top, and now it's started to rain again. Oh God, come on. Let's turn you around when it's safe. which it is now. Oh yeah. Look. Not far to go. Who said come the main roads? Yay! Oh. We made it. I don't suppose that'll be the last hill today. Oh. Right. Now, ooh, that blue sky in the far distance there. Oh, make my mind up whether to put my waterproofs back on my jacket at least. Let's get down this and then we'll decide. I'm going to stop shortly anyway, have something to eat. A lot of people always ask me why I don't stop at cafes and wherever. I just find in the daytime it takes quite a while. So if I just buy like bread and different bits, it's easier. I can just stop whenever I want and get going whenever I want. As I say, cafes always seem to take a little while, and I think it's much more productive to eat by the side of the road or somewhere. Of course, what you have to watch when it's like raining like this, and before you know it, it's soaking wet, and then that's never good, because then you get cold and well, it gets very bleak. The trouble is, it's not actually raining that hard. Right, seeing as we've got quite a bit of downhill here, I'm gonna put my waterproof on my jacket. Hopefully not for long though. It looks quite hilly. Oh, I did wonder about Luxembourg, to be honest. The last time I went to Luxembourg, I seem to remember it was raining. Well, we just finished a break. Well, we had a break a bit further back down the hill. I could see in the distance that there's blue sky, so I decided to stop back there. I mean, it was raining quite hard at the time as well, so I thought it was only in a bus stop, fine, it was dry. I decided if I stop for half an hour or so, then maybe this blue sky will catch me up, which I think it may have, because there's blue, well, you'll see when we go out of here. Right, let's get on. Yeah, I got rather warm coming up that hill, but hopefully we might not. God, ow. Oh, hopefully we might not need our waterproofs again today. All right, I'll turn you around. What do you reckon? How's that? That'll do. Right, go over this shingle. Yeah, if you look, well, that's the way we're going. It looks rather grey, but look behind us, look at that blue sky. So hopefully that is coming behind us. Right, continue up. Well, we're nearly at the top of this hill. I can feel it really starting to warm up now, so that's a good sign as well. Bonjour. Of course, like an idiot, coming this way, we've taken the hilly road. I can see the road to Arlon down there in the valley. See the lorries and cars. So maybe we should have gone to Arlon in the end. I think there was campsites there as well. Hey ho, we're going this way. I did wonder, to be honest, whether when I came to Luxembourg before, whether I went that way. Not that I was likely to remember it, but I thought maybe this way might be a different way. And Arlon is in Belgium, so at least we'll be going France, Luxembourg, then Belgium. Not that it really matters, but hey ho. We'll have our little fights, I don't know. You know what I mean. There's a buzzard over there. Well, ain't dying yet, mate. Go away. Very nice, pretty round here. And as I said, I think Luxembourg could be a bit one. Possibly this lower part of Belgium is probably quite hilly. I'm wondering whether I look at the map, I don't know. Whether we'll go via Spa. I know the Grand Prix is not, I don't know when the Grand Prix is there. I know it's not this weekend because it's Hungary, I think, Hungaroring. So I know it's not there this weekend. It might be the last one before the summer break, maybe in 2 weeks' time, or well, I don't know. Doesn't matter, but as I say, I shall have a look at the map and maybe we'll go via that, see if we can see anything. Maybe we could ride around it. That would be the third track I've cycled round, because we done Monaco years ago and we done Singapore. So yeah, bit anarchy, I know, but hey ho. Well, I am wondering up ahead whether I can get down to that road to Arlon. See, talk about not being able to make your mind up. Only because I think there's more campsites up there. If we see a road, we'll have a look and we'll check out. There was a campsite in Luxembourg, but I think that might be a bit too far away for us today. We'll see. In fact, I shall have a look while I'm going up a bit of a hill, although I don't think I'll get time. Oop, incoming. Right, enough waffling. Goodbye. I do wonder. Oh no, I was wondering whether we crossed into Belgium, but I don't think we have. well, for some reason we seem to have gone round in a blooming U. I don't know whether you can see that road down to the left. Well, that's the blooming road we just came down. No. I mean, it's probably my fault because I changed the route. Oh, well, I don't know. I'm going to find the main road and I know where I am. Annoyed me now, this says. So I think that road we could see was the one we could see from the other side down in the valley. Basically, I think we've come up one side of the valley, got to the head, and then turned around and coming up the other, back the other way on ourselves. I could see Monty something Mon, where that's, well, you wouldn't know, there's a citadel there. I can see it from here. Bloody apps. Because you're a cyclist, I mean, say you like bloody hills. There's a ridiculous one in that Attigny or something. But at least I did cycle up it. I didn't have to walk, which is quite a good sign. No doubt we're going downhill now to go up a hill. I think we're going to go on the main end road. I can see that on my map. I'm pissed off with this now. But I suppose, looking on the bright side, well, we've been to Belgium today. I think we're still in Belgium now, actually. And we might be stopping in Belgium tonight. Yeah, I think this drops down to the main road down there, the N18 maybe, not too sure. It doesn't look that busy. Well, to be honest, tough if it is, because that's where I'm going. Right, oh, bloody hell. Right, I've had enough today now. I'm going to try and find a campsite. Hopefully there's some there. I think Virton, I think it is, and a few more miles. So I might stop and have a look there. I think must lose a bale in the road. That's the point. How do they say hello in Belgium? Isn't it Flemish? Or I'll just say hi. Arlon, 31 kilometres. 20 miles near enough. I think I saw a campsite there. Really want to go that far though, if we don't have to. Right, now I'll start looking. Well, I hope this campsite's open. Oh. Google Maps said it was a fairly flat ride. I mean, this is fairly flat, and it's not the only hill. Oh. Right. Let's hope for the best. I think they got a restaurant on site, which is good because I've not managed to get any food as well. I've always got stuff I can eat, but I couldn't get anything fresh. So hopefully the restaurant's open if I can get in, but I did get enough beer, don't worry about that. Everywhere looks dead. Virton, the town, village, whatever it was, we just came through was dead. There was only a handful of people. What's today? Only a Friday, I think, isn't it? Don't really get it. Right, fine. It's not, it's people. It's life. Right, where's this reception? God, this campsite's blooming confusing. Oh, where are we? I'll talk to you if we ever find it. Well, I forgot to update again. Yeah, well, the campsite was open, obviously. It's quite busy, but I'm hoping for a quieter night tonight. Well, saying that, I can hear the bar, restaurant there, but hopefully they won't stay open too late tonight. I can't remember how many miles, to be honest. My phone's away over yonder being charged, so I couldn't tell you. I'll put it at the bottom of the video. Hopefully tomorrow we'll hit Luxembourg. Well, we will hit Luxembourg tomorrow. Whether we're in Luxembourg tomorrow night is a different story, though, because, well, it's not exactly big. But yeah, to be honest, it's not been a bad day apart from that blooming last bit when, I don't know what happened there, but hey ho, it is what it is, but we're okay now. Right, I shall speak to you all in the morning. Goodbye.